Don, thank you so much for joining me. I wanted to have you on board because, as I mentioned to you a little bit earlier, that I like to bore my friends with DUI horror stories, and who better to talk to than someone who actually deals with this day in and day out. So, before we begin, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself?
So I am Don Hammond. I'm Southern California's criminal defense hero. A big portion of my practice is focused on DUI defense. In fact, I recently published a book about DUI defense that's available on Amazon. There it is. And I've defended hundreds of cases. I have more training than the average police officer when it comes to field sobriety testing and DUI investigations. Those white notebooks that you see on the shelf behind me are actually police training manuals related to DUI investigations for every class they can possibly take. I have both the participant and the instructor manuals for all of their classes. I've taken their field sobriety testing school. I've taken their advanced roadside impaired driving enforcement class. And I've even spent time in a lab preparing and testing human blood samples for alcohol on a gas chromatograph. So I understand every step that blood goes through from when it leaves somebody's arm until it comes out the other side of their fancy testing equipment and where the possible errors are in that process. I understand the science of how blood can create its own alcohol. I understand the issues with breath testing as well. In fact, I have an AlkaSensor 4 here, which is the same model of portable alcohol screening device that most police departments are using these days. So, I understand its problems. I blow into it regularly. Happy to do it on camera. I don't think I have any alcohol hand. Well, I might have something I could reach if you wanted to play with it and see how it can be wrong. We can do that as well.
I love that.